What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome if you're new, and welcome to this new update on Pepe, the meme coin, the one of the biggest meme coins in our days, especially since the beginning of 2022. A meme coin that has made a lot of millionaires. I wanted to do a quick analysis on that. We covered it yesterday. Yesterday was quite an interesting update, and in the end, I wouldn't say I was right, but I definitely was not wrong. Which is perhaps a little bit of a weird thing to say, but it will make sense because we'll do a recap of what I said yesterday, and then also what I expect, because right now we are in we're at quite a big moment for Pepe. As you'll also see on chart, we haven't retained that bullish momentum that we had since like Friday, Saturday, all the way up until Monday afternoon. We haven't retained that. We actually started some bearish momentum. And as you can see from the 28 EMA, the 50 EMA, that blue and red line, they've kind of turned into resistance levels. We had a bearish breakout through them earlier this morning. So just wanted to give you my full thoughts on Pepe and everything that can happen, because it definitely doesn't mean that it's over yet. But there are some conditions in which I think we're in a bad place. So we'll talk about that. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. All of the trade results are open as well. So if you want to see them, you can just access them via, I think, via the Discord server. And then trade results, everything is open, everything is transparent, and we've been profitable. You can also ask around if you want to. But all right, Pepe. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is the volume. Volume is dropping right now. Doesn't necessarily have to be a bad thing, but it does say something if we will not get a spike soon. Usually the volume is one of the first things to go when a coin that is very hyped up, like Pepe, starts dropping down. If volume starts dropping, like it is right now, we're down 50%, we're in a bit of trouble. Then apart from that, what I said yesterday is that first of all, we reached a major psychological resistance level with that 15,000 level and a double top. As you can see, just to delete this area, you can see that we hit this level right here at the 5 fib extension level as well. Between 14,000 and 15,000, we hit that twice, and then from there started dropping. Started also having some bearish breakouts already on Monday. So altogether, we got the first taste of some bearish indication. And if you want to short Pepe, by the way, you can do so on Huobi. Just saying. I'm not saying you should do it, but if you want to, you can do that. I'm not affiliated or anything, but still. So right now, the level that has been holding us up since Tuesday morning, basically. Before that, we had minor spikes below it, but nothing major. Is this level around 10,000? Another major psychological level that has been holding us up. But I would argue that we would need to hold that. This entire level right here between 10,000 and 10,500 has been a level that's been holding us. But if that breaks, I think we are in some trouble. And it looks like it's the most likely scenario that it will break right now. Even though the market is doing fairly well, I would say Bitcoin is doing fairly well. Even though that's the case, it looks like Pepe will break down below that 10,000 level. And when that happens, if we break down below 10,000, I think we'll drop down all the way to this level right here between 8,000 and 7,500, which is a major support level. We got the 200 EMA, we got the 0.618 fib, 7,500 is again a psychological support level. So from there, we might be able to get a second rally and a bigger rally. But I'll also leave that up to you a little bit. Do you think that's realistic? That from here, we'll get another 100% rally in these market circumstances, or might that be a little bit too much? So for now, it's all about that level. If we can hold 10,000, I mean, on the other hand, what's also possible, even though it does not look like the most likely scenario right now, given all of the confirmations that we've had, what's also possible is that we're able to hold 10,000 and break above this level again around 12,000. If we can do that, we'll just continue the rally. We'll just continue up to 15,000 again and try to get some higher levels as well. But like I said, with all of the bearish confirmations that we've seen, with the bearish breakouts we've had, excuse me, it looks more likely that we'll start that drop / minor crash, I guess, down to that 8,000, 7,500 level. Now, I'll be back again with another update when it's necessary, but for now, that's my take on Pepe. So, thank you for watching, take care today, and bye.